Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amirul Amin bin Azmi and my metric number is CD 20044.
Good night. My name is Aliani anak perempuan Ahmad. My metric number CD 20063.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Farhan bin Abdul Wahab. Number metric CA20127.
Today, we are from group 4. Want to present our case study about door security system that we have picked for our title as a mini project of problem solving subject. So
For case study, a security company received negative feedback from their client saying their door security system is difficult to use and not effective since it does not alert the user. So the company decided to create an application for the door security system. This application should be able to notify the user if there are threats. There should be a user-friendly interface to interact with the users, and the system shall prompt users to enter each piece of data consisting of alphabet or integers as shown in figure 1 below. And user must be able to input and obtain the program output as shown, for example, in figure 2 below. Figure 2 shows sample of the user input interface, and figure 3 shows output for the correct input. Early analysis of case study. First, identify the problem. The problem of this case study is identified on how the people can be alert about intruders and easier for user to use it. The padlock and normal door knob, which is commonly used by people, is not encouraged nowadays because it is less safe. This is because everyone can learn from the internet how to open it without using key. Second, understanding the problem. Since the problem happened within the community which consists of different group of people, the solution need to solve the problem shall be able to use by majority of people without facing any difficulty while applying it. The solution which need some particular knowledge to apply are not advised. Third, identify alternative way to solve the problem. A few alternative ways are identified to handle the security problem, which include use keypad door lock, use fingerprint door lock, and use smartphone application to unlock the door. Fourth, select the best way to solve the problem from the list of alternative solutions. The method using keypad door lock might seem secure since keypad lock that do not use any wireless signal cannot be hacked, but are usually not a lot safer than standard lock, as an experienced lock speed can pick them. For fingerprint door lock might seem easy to use, but the system might not recognize you if your finger is dirty or when something covers the surface. Therefore, method for using smartphone application to unlock the door is the best way to solve the problem, as it can be used to unlock the door and notify the user immediately if there is an intruder. List instructions that enable you to solve the problem using the started solution. First time user need to register an account. Second, user can choose the type of password they want. Third, user must put the same password twice to confirm the password, or looping will continue to ask for password. False. User have to enter correct password or PIN. 5. User may continue looping the process above for a limited time if the password is incorrect. Evaluate the solution. Using smartphone application to unlock the door is able to solve the problem effectively, which allow user to be notified if there is a threat, and easier to use in the application using user-friendly interface. This solution is being the best way to deal with the problem, and it seems like people are not having much difficulty while using the application. Since in this advanced technological era, everyone has a smartphone, and it can be even considered that smartphones play a major role in everyone's lifestyle.
Problem analysis chart. The given data in our case study is name, option, and type of security, and the required result is PIN and password. Processing required is enter PIN or password. If correct, it will print welcome home user. If incorrect, it will print intruder. Number 2 is enter PIN and confirm password, or password and confirm password. If correct, it will print welcome home user. If incorrect, it will print intruder. And the solution alternative is define all of the given data as constant and define all of the given data as input values. Interactivity chart, which is IC, door security system control, read equal to 1000, calculate equal to 2000, print equal to 3000.
For the input processing output, the input block, we take it from PSC input. For the processing, we using the state from PSC also. And for the module reference, we use 3 module, read module, calculate, and print. And for the output, we get it from the PSC also. The output, we will print the welcome home user, intruder, welcome, please register, name, password, and confirm password. For the algorithm without module, we using while or while and loop that control the PIN or password accurate. From this, we will see for the first step, we enter name, enter password, enter confirm password. We using while loop. We enter name, enter option. If 1, then for PIN. If 2, then for password. Enter type of security. If 1, then enter PIN and confirm password. If 2, then enter password and confirm password. If correct, then print welcome home user. If incorrect, then print intruder alarm will ring. After that, we end while and print welcome, print please register, print name, print password, print confirm password, and the algorithm.
For flowchart, it will be same as algorithm, which is first a print welcome, then print please register. Then it will ask the name and the type of security, which is 1 for PIN and 2 for password. Then we are asked to type the enter security, and we enter the decision, which is if security equal to 1. And if it's true, it will ask for a PIN, and then it will enter loop, which is asking for confirm PIN. If it's true, then we'll print welcome. If false, the loop will continue. It is same as for security equal to 2, which is it will print password and continue to loop and ask for confirm password. If the user input other number other than 1 or 2, it will print input invalid. After it's print welcome, it will ask it will enter the decision if security equal to 1. If it is true, it will print security pin and ask for security pin. If security pin equal to pin, then it prints welcome home user. If false, it print intruder. It is same as password, which is if true, it will ask it print welcome home user, and if false, it print intruder.
Depth checking for algorithm without module. First, we have line option, type of security, condition, input and output. And the first one we have name, then we have password, confirm password, and then we have name option as input. The option that given is pin and password. Type of security is pin and confirm password, password and confirm password. The output will appear welcome home user if the pin or password is correct, and output will appear intruder and the alarm will ring if the pin and password is incorrect. The other output is welcome, please register name, password and confirm password.
For the copying diagram, we're using 4 module. For the first module, that is DOS security system control. The second module is read. The module is calculate. The fourth is print. This parameter we will see for the single headed, it is called by value, and for the double headed arrow is called by reference. At the read module, we will see is name called by value, password called by reference, option called by reference, type of security called by value, confirm password called by reference, pin called by reference, password called by reference. For the calculate, we have 2 called by reference, that's it, pin and password. For the print, we will have all called by value, that is welcome home user, intruder, welcome, please register, name, password and confirm password. For data dictionary, data dictionary is to keep track on the variable usage in the program. It contains list of data item, variable name, data type and module. Data item and variable name is the same using the correct variable format, and for the data type using character for the using string for the character and numeric for the number. The module is we will refer the copying diagram just now, that is read, calculate and print. For the algorithm with module, we're using call by a calling module, that is control DOS security, and call module, that is process read, call module, that is process read, process calculate and print. The name, password, confirm password, option, type of security, pin, password, all this, the pin, password, welcome home user, intruder is format parameter. For this, we'll still calculate on the PIN and password read asterisk and the print welcome home user into the welcome to register. Name password confirm password is not by asterisk because the value is not changed, and we will have exit.
For flowchart with module, door security control, I divide into 3 module, which is read, calculate, and print. For read, it contains print, welcome, and please register, and the input that need to be input by the user. In calculate, it contains enter type of security, decision making, which is security equal to 1, true, then it will print pin, and then looping for the confirm pin. In the print, it for print of the output of the input that was given by the user, which is if it's true, it will print welcome home user, and if false, will print intruder. This programming is a is a code for the program, which is first it will print welcome and print please register to use this system. Then it contains the input that has been declared, which is character, which is contain name, password, confirm password, and security password. This is integer, which is pin, confirm pin, security pin, and security. So it will print name, and the user will input the name. So it will print, which is 1 for pin and 2 for password, and I ask the user for type of security they want. After that is a decision, which is if security equal to 1, and then it will enter the loop for the confirm pin. Same for the security equal to 2, which is it will ask for password, and the looping for confirm password. After that, it will ask, it will enter the decision making, which is if security equal to 1, and it will print security pin and ask for the security pin. The security pin equal to pin, then we will print welcome user. If it is false, then we will print intruder. It's same for the security password. If it's true, then we will print welcome home user, and if it's false, we will print intruder. This is the output for the programming. As you can see, you will put name the user and ask for the enter type of security. Then you will ask for the security pin, and since the security pin is same with pin, you will print welcome user.
And for the interface and the for interface prototype, figure 1 shows that sample of the user input interface. The system shall prompt users to enter each piece of data consisting of alphabet or integer as shown in figure 1. Figure 2 shows output for registration. User must be able to enter the input and obtain the program output as shown by example in figure 2. While figure 3 is output for correct input. This figure shows that interface will appear welcome home user when user entered correct PIN or password. And lastly, figure 4 shows output for incorrect input. This figure shows that interface will appear intruder When user entered correct PIN or password, an alarm will ring. That's it for our presentation today. Thank you.